When to use future perfect tense examples. Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting and easy to understand video from Grammar with Altaf. Today we're going to learn when to use the future perfect tense. Yes, this is the tense that talks about actions that will be completed before a certain time in the future.
That's right. In this video, we'll explain in very simple words what the future perfect tense is, when and why we use it. And of course, we'll give you many easy and useful examples to help you speak English more fluently. So, stay with us till the end.
Let's start by understanding what future perfect tense actually means. Future perfect tense is used to talk about an action that will be finished before a certain time in the future. The structure is simple. Subject plus will have plus past participle, V3.
Exactly. Let me give a simple example. I will have finished my homework by 8 p.m. This means that at some time in the future, 8 p.m., my homework will already be completed.
That's a great example, Altaf. So, we use future perfect tense when we want to show that something will be completed before a specific time or another action in the future. Let's look at another example. She will have left for work before you arrive. In this sentence, there are two future actions, but her leaving will happen first, and then you will arrive. The first action uses the future perfect.
Very well explained, Annie. Now let's make it even easier. Just remember this. If you want to talk about something that will already be done before a future point, use will have and the past participle.
Altaf. I think it's also important to talk about time expressions that are commonly used with the future perfect tense. Words like by, before, by the time, by then, in 2 years, in a week, etc. help us know when the action will be finished.
Exactly. Let's look at some more examples using these expressions. They will have completed the project by next Monday. We will have lived in this city for 10 years by 2026. By the time the movie starts, we will have reached the cinema. In each case, we are talking about actions that will be completed before a point in the future.
Let's now try to understand the negative form of the future perfect tense. It's also very easy. Just add not after will. Subject plus will not have plus past participle. Example, she will not have finished her assignment by tonight. This means she will still be working on it after tonight.
Yes, and we can also ask questions in the future perfect tense. Here's the structure. Will plus subject plus have plus past participle? For example, will you have completed the task by tomorrow? Will they have arrived before the meeting starts?
So, Altaf, when do you think learners should use this tense most often?
Good question. Learners should use the future perfect tense when they are talking about plans, goals, or deadlines in the future. For example, I will have saved enough money by the end of this year. It's useful when you are planning something and you want to show progress that will be finished in the future.
Another example. By next year, I will have learned how to drive. This means I am learning now, and by next year, I'll complete it.
Let's also explain the difference between future simple and future perfect. If you say, I will finish my work at 6 p.m., you are simply saying what will happen. But if you say, I will have finished my work by 6 p.m., you are focusing on the completion of the action before 6 p.m.
Yes, and that small difference makes your English more advanced and professional. Future perfect is often used in business English, formal writing, and future planning.
And don't worry if you don't use it every day. Even native speakers use this tense mostly when talking about deadlines, plans, or comparing two future actions.
Let's now do a quick practice session. I will say the situation and Altaf. You give the sentence in future perfect.
Sure, let's do it.
You want to talk about finishing a book before Sunday.
I will have finished the book by Sunday.
You want to say your parents will arrive before your exam ends.
My parents will have arrived before my exam ends.
Perfect. That's how easy it is to use the future perfect tense.
Before we end the video, here's a small tip. Practice this tense by writing your own goals or plans using it. For example, I will have improved my English by the end of this month.
Yes. And don't forget to use time expressions like by, before, by the time, etc. to help make the meaning clear.
So today, we have learned the structure of the future perfect tense, when and how to use it, how to form positive, negative, and interrogative sentences, and we also saw many helpful examples.
We hope this video made the future perfect tense easy for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Grammar with Altaf for more easy grammar lessons.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with another helpful topic. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing English.
Goodbye and take care.
Goodbye.